Hello, I'm going to show you how to use our new application that's called Guided Photo Generator. What it will do, it will place your product, your subject into generated background, AI generated background, but you can control shape of that background, shape of elements that you want to create. It's very powerful technique and I hope you will find a good use of it. So here is a short demonstration. First, you need to find the subject. Of course, better photo is good, but you don't need to have high resolution. Here, you need to go up to 1500 pixels, so not more than this, okay? You select the image. Let's have this one. Okay, this is the watch that I just rotated. It's on a white background, so let's open it like this. Then the prompt. You need to envision the scene, and in my case, I want to have top-down photo because the watch was done top-down, so it's important to tell AI, so this is top-down photo. It's not going to try to put it standing. Then driftwood log, dark rocks. So this is how I see this scene. And now this is the most interesting feature, the shape editor. I'm going to create that driftwood, the way that exactly that goes through the watch. So watch is kind of wrapped around the driftwood. This is why we have the shape editor. And well, you can always use relatively a thick brush for this, opacity between 10 and 15, not more than this, and create sort of like that driftwood. It shouldn't be filled completely, so like real driftwood, it has shadows and lighting. Well, that's it, for example. Now you just can run. You can always turn on extra artistic. We can try it in a moment, but without it, it will do really photorealistic image. But if you check that checkbox, it will tend to create some, bokeh, lighting, and some cool stuff around. Sometimes you may like it, sometimes it's not. So this is why it's optional. Okay, here you go. This is our driftwood. I do not like the shape of it, so I'm going to regenerate. Let's go back and change it a little bit on editor. So I want to have even larger driftwood, and I think it should be better like this without those spots, because this is what it creates. You can always go less thickness and higher opacity and create some details of the driftwood. You can experiment, and again, it all depends of what you want to generate. Okay, dark rocks, water drops, for example. Let's add it, and let's have extra artistic. Okay, already this looks better. If you want to change something, you can always regenerate. Just click button regenerate. It will just do with exactly the same inputs. It will do a different picture for you. If you like the result, you can always click upscale, and it will be upscaled image for you. Okay, as you can see, it's just different variation of this, and it looks like the shape of our driftwood was too big. So I want to change it. Again, I need to clean it, clear it, and make it smaller, maybe somewhere like this. Okay, and maybe put some spots as the rocks, because we need to have rocks, and save it and run it again. Okay, this is much better, and as you can see, it exactly follows my sketch. This is how easy to use our new application. Enjoy.